Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I got another couple of deliveries that I thought I would share with you guys. Um, let's see. So I was trying to think if this is not, I don't know, maybe this is still Cyber Week. But anyway, let's look at, let's, let's look at these things. So this is my paper person shop order. This is whenever she does a release, if you're a subscriber, you can add to your box and get free shipping. Um, or you can add you can get the regular shipping. It didn't add to your shipping, I think. And then you get a small discount on top of that. So let's take a look. Okay, all right, so one of these is probably my kit, and the other one is probably my extras. I hate that I have to rip this bag, because sometimes I like to keep my kits in the bag. But anyway, let's take it. Oh, so these must be the extras, because I remember I ordered some washi tape. So one year she had some really cute washi tape. I thought maybe I'll go back and get some. It wasn't possible because they sell out really fast. But she has really cute washi tape. When she sells some washi tape, you probably want to take a good look at it because it's usually really cute and unique. All right. So, look at that. Some holographic pink washi tape. Okay. And then we got this one. Let's see. Can't even tell what that looks like, but okay. And then we got this one, really cute. Really cute. And then we got this one. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Can't tell what that is. Let's see. That's cute. All right. So that is my washi tape. Okay. Then, let's see. We got a few extra stamps. So I like these type of stamps. They're nice big letters, and it'll help you. You don't have to sit there and put these words together. They all come already together. These are nice. I like these. And I have several of these types from her. And then let's see, this one. Really cute. So this is the year of the rabbit coming up. All right. And then she usually, I think like every year she does like a Christmas like drinks stamp set. And I usually end up getting it every year. But isn't that pretty? That is going to be really cute. So this looks more like New Year's, but really cute. Okay, and then this should be my kit. Let's see. Yep, looks like I'm gonna have to tear it. All right. So let's look at the stamp set. Pretty neat. So that is the stamp set that comes with the kit. And then I'm not going to take this out. I'm not going to take the time to do all that. But these are the die cuts. And then we'll take a look really quickly at the cards. That There's some gold trim, gold foiling, very, very cute. And I guess that's a reindeer. So this isn't overly Christmassy. This is more winter. So if you don't do Christmas, this you could still document. Very pretty. Looks like an orangey red. It's very pretty. New Year's. And these alphas are really cute. And let's see, take a look at these. I love red. I just love red. There's something very, very striking about it. This is pretty. Very cute. All right, so that is my paper person delivery. All right, and then we'll take a look at what Studio Calico I got from them. They sent me an email. I forget. I want to say there was a percentage off, and then it was supposed to be free shipping, I think. All right. So let's take a look at this. I thought that this would be neat. I really want to see some examples and stuff of what this looks like. So you put these in there, and then you can stamp them in different colors. And then you also have some little icons. I like that idea a lot. That's a pencil sharpener, if you can't make that out or something. A notebook, some kind of list. Camera, mug, pin tack, and then an open book. Very nice. And then this I thought was just really cute. And I just wanted to try that one. And then this one I thought would be good for journaling. I thought I took this out of my basket, but whatever. And then I think this was the mystery stickers. I'm a little disappointed. Technically, these are stickers, but I'm a little disappointed with that. But it was only $1, I think. And then we got this one. Really cute. And then this one. All right. That's that. And then we have whatever this is, and I actually don't remember this at all. So. Let's see. Oh, what? I am wondering. Oh, I think I got this when I got that Chic Sparrow order. And I was looking for something that would fit in it, I think. I want to say this was during Cyber Week. I think Amazon had this on sale. And I thought that this would go with that Chic Sparrow A5 cover that I bought. Okay. So apparently you get 2 of these. So let's take a look at this. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. All right. It's nice, smooth paper. Yeah, that must have been why I did that. All right. So there's that. Sometimes you get the clicking. Clicking and clicking. Okay. Yeah, it must have been on sale. All right. And then this is the one I was really waiting on. Because this has my ink. So I can finally ink up that sailor pen that I have. Alright. They do a good job of protecting it. Okay, so this is good. This is the one I was looking for. Let's take a look at this one too. And you always get a little treat. And then you get a sticker. Ooh, I like that one. And then you get to know who packaged your box. All right. And then let's see. Oh, so this ink had, it looked like it was red and blue shimmer. It was really pretty on the website, and I really want to try it. So it is Diamond Jack Frost. And look at that bottle. Isn't that pretty? That's really cute. I like that blue. All right. So it's kind of blue purpley. All right. So I'm going to take a look at that later. And then this is the one that I've been waiting on. Been waiting all week on this. Okay. The box is really, really nice. There is a pen that they recommend to go with this, but I didn't get it. It's on sale right now. It's like really expensive, and I didn't get it because it's I think it's an acrylic body, and I'm just not interested. I'm kind of interested in it, but then so I didn't get it. Long story short, but this is really, really pretty. I don't know if you're just supposed to swirl it a little bit or if it's okay to totally shake it up like that. Not sure. But isn't that pretty? All right, guys. That is all I had to share today. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.